Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. I don't know where my kids are. I think they're mad because my husband decided he didn't want the cat tree in here anymore. He wanted it back in the living room where he could enjoy it. I said, well, you're going to have to buy me another one for in here. But today is not about the kitties. Well, it might be later. But right now, it's about PipSticks. Oh my goodness, stickers, y'all. This one has been sitting around for a while. Honestly, I think it's going to be January, you know, because everything went on with my dad and I had to go out of town and stay out of town a lot. But so it just kind of got put to the back burner, and I'm sorry about that. But I know y'all understand. Y'all have been with me along the way, and I really appreciate all y'all's support and prayers, and so does my daddy. He is doing okay, but there is going to be another surgery in the future, ablation on his heart. So I'm going to ask him how much maybe he'll let me do a video and kind of walk you through what's happened with him. I don't know if he will or not. They don't really like being in the public spotlight. So we'll see about that. But right now, PipSticks. Great little company. They do in-house. They make their own stickers, design them all, and they're awesome. They're a great quality sticker. They're not just those little paper stickers you're going to tear in half. You know, I love them. They have 4 different options for how you can subscribe. There's stickers for adults, which is the Pro Club, and there's stickers for kids. Actually, there's 5 ways now. There's stickers for kids, which is the Kids Club, and right now, I think going on, they have, if you subscribe to both, you get one of them half off, which is really cool. I thought about doing, but you know me, I'm broke. I'm having to back down. So, actually, my husband told me, he said, if you want to do the mudroom, we gotta get the credit card paid off. We have the money to do the mudroom. I just have to wait until we get the credit card paid off. So I'm trying to back off so we can pay the credit card off all the way. I hate paying interest on credit cards. Ugh, it's like wasting money in my opinion, but that's how we do. Anyway, back to the stickers. I know I'm rambling. That's part of who I am. I'm sorry. Anyway, you can get in the Kids Club or in the Pro Club the monthly subscription. I can't talk now. The monthly subscription, you can get the Classic Pack, which is $17.99 a month. It's 15 sheets of PipSticks. It's worth about $50, and you can get that in, like I said, in the Kids or in the Pro. Or you can get the Petite Pack, which is $11.95 a month. You get 7 sheets of stickers, PipSticks, and it's worth $25 or more a month. So you can get that in Kids or in the grown-ups or both, which I would love to do both. Let me see. I do have an affiliate link down below. If you want to try PipSticks, it will help me out if you use my link. Thank you so very much. Right now, let's just look at the stickers because I can't wait anymore. Something else they're doing right now is they've got a sticker binder and sticker pages and things for those of us who like to collect our stickers instead of use them. And they're pre-ordering for that right now, which is really cool. I thought about doing that too, but I was a good girl. I behaved. This is what you get in your envelope. Yeah, this is January of 2023. Here's the behind the stickers page. You've got, oh, so this is going to be a retro pack. I normally don't read this page to you, but we might as well. At long last, it's finally here. The pack our team has been waiting for since the moment we started brainstorming for it. It's no surprise that we were excited about doing a retro pack, and we were set out to create a 70s, 80s, and 90s inspired collection in honor of our month's National Sticker Day. Of this month's National Sticker Day. As we got going through, the team was just nailing the 80s aesthetic, and so we decided to double down and lean in, pulling from our collective childhood sticker experience. That's as if little Mo was art directing and the rest is totally rad, if I do say so myself. As a sticker lover and designer, there's just nothing more liberating than going wild with sparkles, unicorns, and hot pink. LOL. As I mentioned, January 13th is National Sticker Day. What a way to start the year, right? In typical PipSticks fashion, we will be celebrating all month long. So hightail it over to the VIP Facebook group and keep an eye out on your inbox for giveaways, freebies, and challenges. Do you make New Year's resolutions? I don't. I'm not a huge fan, but as someone who definitely needs accountability, I like using the new year as an excuse to realign my priorities. All right, that's good. I didn't make a resolution, but what I did was kind of told myself this year I'm going to drink more water. And I have been so far. So that's good. I'm sticking to my goal. I like to call them my goals because it's easier to me to reach a goal than to stick to a resolution. I don't know why. All right, inspired years ago by the Happiest podcast, I kicked off each new year with a list of things I'd like to get done over the next 12 months. This year, it's 23 for 2023. Make a photo while at home from last year's list, launch a sticker summit, go to Japan, partner with Caboodle, get a mirror for my closet, delete phone apps I'm not using, design a morning journal, publish my children's story, learn how to cook Indian food, go to the movies once a month, go on a trip with my dad, start a sticker trading forum, buy more colorful pants, clean out the photos from my phone each month, build a treehouse in Wisconsin, go glamping with girlfriends, host a nighttime bonfire at the beach, join the email list of inspiring food blogs, be able to do 25 push-ups. Oh, no, I couldn't do that. Knit Indy a sweater, take salsa dancing lessons, frame the kids' artwork, be a guest on a fun podcast. So that's what Mo wants to do. What's on your list this year? Sending you loads of sticker love and encouragement for 2023. This vintage Whitney Houston tee is one of my all-time faves. And there is Mo. Yeah, comment below. Tell me what your resolution was and if you stuck to it or not. I want to know. All right, so then it says, let's play. You remember the who will you marry, all that kind of stuff. Oh my good gracious. MASH. Oh my good gracious. Yeah. I remember all those days. Behind the scenes. Oops. There we go. Cute. February sticker sneak peek. So here is a sneak peek of what's going on in February. This is the Pro Pack and this is the Kids Pack. Oh, look at the Kids Pack, it's cute. Look at the little dragon. Oh. Fun, full of fantasy. And then there's a little spot for your 23 for 23. Very cute. Now it's sticker time. Oh my good gracious. You know, they actually sell these containers, these holographic zippy bags at the store. I was looking through them the other day. I do keep them and use them, but I didn't realize that they sold them. So that's actually an extra thing that we're getting with each month. Very cute. What's this one called? Show some leg warmers. Did y'all do the leg warmers? I did the roller skates, but I never really did the leg warmers. Oh, the glare. Okay, there you go. Very cute. This one is called Electric Geometric. Look at those stickers. Those are super cute. All different shapes. I love these. Oh my goodness, I love these. Pity pattern for my heart. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Rainbows and heart rainbows and holographic glitter. Yep, yep. And unicorns. What does that say? I can't read the holograph. Fairy tales fauna, I think. It's hard to read on that holographic paper. Look at the unicorns. Y'all can't even see the unicorns. There are shapes of unicorns there. It's just hard to see through the heavy holographic. Oh, there. You can kind of see it there. Look how cute they are. Tidbit about me, I actually have a unicorn collection. Eventually, I hope to get it in here in my curio that's still sitting out in the shed that I haven't brought in from when we moved here 5 years ago. All my unicorns are packed up, but I want to make my unicorn curio back up. It's something that stuck with me from being a kid. Unicorns, angels, what else is in there? I can't even remember. It's been so long since I've seen it all. All right, moving on. Make your mark. So, oh my goodness, you remember those pins where it had all the different colors and you just clicked them down? Or how about those where you took this color and put it up here to get to the other colors? Oh, I remember those very well. Look at the troll. One of my good buddies from high school collected trolls. She was obsessed. I thought they were cute, but I never really collected them. Daydream doodles. Oh, these are cute. And these two tiny ones are so good for little accents. I love the little hearts. Look at the little stars and the wigglies and the smiley faces. This is very cute. And that's a ton of stickers right there. Don't crimp my style. These are vinyl stickers, by the way. This is a vinyl. But yes, very cute. These I have a hard time using. I kind of tend to want to keep these bigger ones. Tamadi. Who knows? I don't know. Remember the banana clips? Now we still do the scrunchies. I still do these kind of clips. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Love the butterflies. Look at the troll clips. Oh my goodness. These kind of clips, I still see people wearing this kind of stuff. I don't know. Do y'all? This one is Teen Scene. What is it? A watch. Oh, you remember the necklaces that were made of candy and you'd walk around with the candy in your mouth, your necklace in your mouth? Oh my good gracious. Is that a hamburger? That's a hamburger phone. I didn't have a hamburger phone. Crimpers. The hairspray. I remember the hairspray. Oh my gracious. These are too cute. The 8-ball. Remember we all used to ask the 8-ball what was going on in the world. The 8-ball knew all. I have to take my sweater off. I'm getting hot. It's stuffy in this room, y'all. I don't know how to fix it. Rainbow illusions. Illusions? How's it an illusion? It's a rainbow. It's just a holographic. Hearts, stars, very cute. Shooting stars. Heart with wings. What is that? There's a unicorn shape in there. So you can't see it. I don't know if it's the light. I don't know. There's a unicorn in there. Bowl me over. Oh yes, the bowling. Remember cosmic bowling? I haven't been bowling in forever. Pins and shoes and shirts and balls. Bowling signs. Strike. Pizza, hot dogs. Snacks. This is not a good fan. I don't know why I'm so hot. I love that they send you one of these in every pack. It's the alphabet, and I love spelling out people's names, putting it on packages, making cards, doing things like that. I love the letters. This is the neon alphabet. Very cute. This one is Happy Go Lucky. Look at that. There's a snail. Cherries, butterflies, the sun, rainbows, umbrellas, mushrooms, planets, stars. Just very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, look at the big unicorn. Unstoppable unicorn. Oh, I love it. It's very cute. See, I might have to keep this and just put it, you know, in. I could even stick it. I wouldn't want to stick it on my mirror, but on my in my curio once I get it put up. It'd go well with all my unicorn stuff. feel like such a kid still having that stuff, but that's okay. I don't act 42 anyway, so what's the point? Say it 80s style. Okay, let's read it. Tubular. Heat my shorts as if. Oh my gracious. Gag me with a spoon. I remember that one. Grody. Bodacious. Radical. Tubular. Gnarly. Oh, barf. Smooth move X-Lax. I don't remember that one. That's craziness. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I'll figure something out. Oh, look at the pins. So this is the postcard. They send you a postcard every month. And I think that is very cute little postcard. I think I had it upside down, but doesn't matter. I don't know. I had my video playing the other day and Daniel walked through and he's like, I don't want to upset you. And you know, of course, your husband says that to you and you're like, oh my gosh, well, what's happened? He's like, you were holding that thing upside down. And I was like, what? He said, yeah, it was a palette and you were holding it upside down. All the names were upside down. I was like, oh. I was like, you know, I was probably holding one to where the mirror was underneath the camera so it wouldn't glare on y'all. And he thought I'd done something wrong. Anyway, what did y'all think of PipSticks? I think this is fun. If you love stickers or love just embellishing things like I do, making it a little special, putting a little bit of a special touch on things is a great way to do it. And yeah, y'all let me know what you think. I'd really appreciate it if you'd press all those YouTube buttons down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to subscribe to PipSticks, I do have a link below for that as well. Please tell your friends about my videos, about the channel. Share the love. Press the notification button so that you don't miss any videos from me. And if you want to donate to the channel, there's 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, it's like tipping through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. Unboxed by G is who I am. There's a link below for that as well, and it's like tipping. Thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.